So today I'll be doing a infill on the polygel using dual forms over tips. And so this is the before and this is the after. It's barely any lifting, so I'm really surprised this polygel held up very well. So I really recommend this polygel. All the links to the products that I use will be in the description box, so go check it out. So the first thing I'll be doing is pushing back the cuticles using a cuticle pusher. Next, I will be cutting down the nails. Using an electric file, I will be filing off the bulk, and also I will be filing off the natural nail, removing all the shine and natural oils that the nail may have. And again, all the products that I use will be in the description box down below. I will be applying the base coat on the entire nail. It will help the polygel stick together. We'll be applying the smallest amount of polygel on the dual form. You want to create a thin layer of polygel because you only need the polygel on the cuticle area where you need to fill in, and the remaining polygel will go on top of the other old polygel. I really hope I make sense. And you want to cure that for 60 seconds I did mine under a mini UV lamp. It will be also in the description box down below. And you want to repeat the same steps on all the fingers. So these are what the nails look like. You want to carefully remove the dual form. Then you can start filing and shaping your nails. I used a electric file, but you can also use a hand file, but make sure to get close to the cuticle area so you can clean that part. These are the gel polishes I used. It will also be in the description box. Plus you can use my coupon code JamieK30 and get 30% off your entire order. Be in the description box. guys, this is how the nails came out. I'm really impressed by this polygel. I really recommend this polygel. It's a really good brand. It's the best brand I've ever used, and I'm so happy that I had a chance to use it. So please go check it out. It will be in the description box, and if you've used it, please comment down below and tell me what you guys think. So like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And yeah, comment down below which video you want to see next. Bye.